Have you got a dog that acts more like the Tassie Devil than a chocolate lab? Then when it comes to lawn, you've got choices. Sir Walter DNA certified buffalo is great for small paws and shade. Or Tiff Tough Hybrid Bermuda, the heavyweight champ for big dogs and high traffic zones. Both are tough, but Tiff Tough is the most drought tolerant and the best self-repairing out of the two. Either one of these high quality turf varieties could be the right option for your backyard. So here's how to make your lawn dog proof. Step 1. Prep the soil like you're making a gourmet pizza base. Strong, well drained, and ready for toppings. Once the turf has been laid, water deeply while establishing. Fertilise consistently, usually once every 2 to 3 months. Step 2. Exercise. If you have a small yard, make sure that your pup is getting enough exercise through frequent walks and trips to the dog park. This will stop them from terrorising your backyard lawn. Step 3. Battle urine spots by ensuring that you're watering your lawn after your dog does their business. This will dilute the nitrogen and prevent the burns. If this seems too difficult to manage, then try to train your dog to urinate in specific places to minimise brown spots. With a bit of care and ingenuity, you'll have a lawn that's lush, green, and ready for man's best friend.